Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IGC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And I don't know if update's the right word, but confirmation would certainly be more accurate term. The main point of confirmation after today is that this area that I've talked about before, right up here slightly above $3, being denoted by this red line here, is indeed a level of resistance. I mean, if you go back through the history of things, you can see there's several instances here where the price has rejected, or I should say the price has been rejected by this area, and then you fast forward to today and that price movement right there. So it's not exactly shocking that right above the $3 mark once again has acted as resistance. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying this level can never ever be broken. I'm just saying that apparently, according to the story that's being told to us via the chart here, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only break above that $3-ish mark, but then stay up above it. So 3-ish is going to continue to be that main level. And I say stay up above it because, to be fair, the price actually did stay, or I should say get up above the level. But for a true break, two things have to happen. The first one being the obvious. Well, yeah, price has to break above a certain level, but then the price also has to be able to stay up above it. And, that is where the price has struggled several times, especially back here. You can see, yeah, the price has gotten up above that area. But as far as staying up above it, that's where it continues to struggle. Now, if the price can actually get the break of that area, the next key overarching level of resistance to keep an eye on is that secondary red line up there, which sits right around $3.30. As far as areas of support, nothing new here to report. You still have the overall level right down here around 255. That purple line there, the 50 period, has continued to creep its way upwards. So it's looking like tomorrow on Tuesday that purple line will cross up above the green line, and at that point, that'll give it higher priority. So keep an eye on those couple levels. But all in all, as long as the price keeps on chipping away with those higher bases, like it's been doing, and that's what you want to see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.